What was your favorite experience in Ghana?
Ghana? The whole of my time I spent there was my favorite experience. Every day I would see a new thing. When I was there, the economically, Ghana was totally crippled. You could not even get bread. For a loaf of bread, you will make a line in a village, and then a van will come to sell the bread, a loaf of bread. People will make a queue, and the van will get empty before the line finishes. And those people who are standing there for the loaf of bread, they will show patience, and if they don't get the bread, they will leave. So I like Ghanaians' patience, level of patience.
Yes.
I don't know whether you have that much level or not. Right.